So this might be the end of my YouTube career.
Scotty is in a Ninja powered home built death wagon, and he's about to go film. So hopefully he's still alive. The next footage you see will either be him ripping through the lanes or
my body flailing.
Yeah, the camera flying, people crying, blood, gore and tears, mate.
All that good stuff.
Stalled it, choked it. Oh, don't hit it. Most fun you can have with your clothes on in a car.
Yeah.
Not the fastest, but the most fun.
Yeah, for sure. Nah, what a wicked car, man.
More squirt this time.
So sick. Hands down, most fun I've ever had in a car. I did not think I'd be saying that, nor did I think he'd let me have a go, but you know, man. £6 he tells me. Priceless. Oh, there is a lot of around the yard. Dave, what are we going to do about this, man?
You've got to tidy it up.
I've got to tidy it up. Since we got here, all we've had to do is just tidy up the whole time.
Yeah, feces, dead cats.
Stinky old men.
Oh god, the works, mate. The works. Now we've been told people don't like this part of line outside the back door either. So we've got to move this. There's an engine on an MX-5 as well,
which has been here since forever. That's like the 46, isn't it?
I need to put that in my other car really, but obviously I have like 3 million other things to do that are more important. Like tidying up this, so should we get cracking? Welcome to our beautiful new car park. So we're going to put Land Rover here and some other boring fun stuff.
So yeah, we got too many cars, as you can probably see. And that's not even like, this isn't bad at the moment, but it's difficult, man, trying to find somewhere where you're allowed to have space.
No one wants cars.
Nah. It's like gold dust, isn't it? So
big, smelly.
Bloody hell, what a sentence. Alright then, you're gonna start trying to pull some
Kent's
stuff over here.
Nice together,
yeah, let's go have a look at Kent's motors. So when we turned up here, Jamie could not believe
the astoundment in my eyes.
Yeah.
When I was similar. Like stone's throw away.
Yeah, that's quite rare really. So there's not, so what's yours? One out of 450?
Yeah, like that. Over the course of like the hatchbacks as well, maybe like less than 10,000 of every of them, I reckon. Coupes, hatchbacks, convertibles.
I love how you just eating, that looks questionable.
But this one's been a good motivator for me because it's actually worked the whole time. So he's been driving this around and I'm here smashing my fingers to death doing the same job for the 10th time on the brown piece of shit.
Yeah.
And here comes Kent driving past looking all smug.
Yeah. I quite like the estate look on him, man.
Cool, isn't
it, is it called an estate? Or is it called like a speedback?
Or a shooting brake or something.
Shooting brake?
Is it unlocked? This is the coolest part. Look at
that. Oi, that needs to be the film car. And then it's got another blue car over here.
Yeah. I dragged it out of a bush with George for him. Somewhere up in Hertfordshire. Somewhere. It was in a bush. Literally in a bush. We dragged it out. Here it is. It drives. I put a new exhaust on it.
Is it a Mark 1?
Yeah. It's a bit excessive, this, isn't it?
So yeah, Ken found this on on his round for his job.
On his round!
He spotted this on someone's driveway. It was pretty rotted away. Well, I say pretty rotted. It's not even that bad.
Oh, no!
Yeah,
This is not rotten at all, surprisingly. That's why it's kept it.
Yeah, and it had loads of stuff on it already, so he's turned it into a little track weapon. It's pretty cool, man.
I've ever parked it on the driveway. I've been sitting there for like 10 years, 5 years maybe, and literally had been put new tyres on it and then parked on the driveway, so they were dry rotted with stickers on. I was thinking when they put the trailer in there, they put another car next to it and you can park one across the front.
Alright then.
Tetris.
Alright.
Yo! Up next is a rear-engined MX-5. Where you going with them, mate? The stars on the back of that.
Oh yeah.
Core top down with a boy.
See how mouldy that was? That was mouldy.
Yeah, I can see the mould.
Okay, where's the key?
Should not start.
It won't start.
Are you?
We have, honestly, you see how many cobwebs are on here? This is how long this hasn't even moved. I'm so surprised it actually started, dude. It's been sitting there for like 3 months, 4 months. We've been cranking it and it hasn't started once.
Alright.
Squealing with delight.
Wow, as if.
Look like
More beans, more beans. Yeah, you got one bang it. Alright, that's 2 done.
This is too easy.
Or 2 done.
None of those.
Just start it again and see if it will actually start.
Well, I mean...
Yeah, that's what it sounded like for the last 3 months. I can't believe it started. One bang.
We didn't make that up. We didn't make that up. Right, this one's gonna work.
I don't know, it's got the back end missing, mate.
This is for the Queen.
The drift chariot. It looks like a compact, man. Number 3. You ready for an alrighty macket?
Oh, there he is. Freak.
The lesser freak.
What's he doing? Feeding
Pippin, mate.
cats.
That's all he ever does.
Fucking
Just
freaking.
leaves cats everywhere, feeds the cats.
Such
And
a.
be a complete nuisance on my life.
Such a.
Just been off-roading in my skid car, which I haven't done a skid in. Too long, man.
Alright, that's enough hard work. We've got to sit down for a bit.
Yeah.
What we're doing here, Gav?
That one's
Hold up.
the head gasket blown.
So got this out. Gearbox on. Ish.
Yeah, a little bit. Okay, that's good, that's good. Push it back.
Yeah, so come down, yeah, down,
Down?
down. And we're right this side.
You're not this side. Yeah, you're not this side.
Not this way.
I'm holding it now.
Yeah, so if you drop it,
Oh, testing my skills. Oh,
Sweet.
testing my skills, mate.
You
I
lot
can't
are
do that.
savages.
stop there, we need to flatten the engine out. Yeah.
Yeah, what are we doing?
Just get my hair done. We need a manual loom
Yeah, that's right.
to go with the M50 adapter.
Change the temp sensor. Bish bash bosh.
Bish bash bosh.
He's going to be running now. Alright, we found a plug that George didn't plug in.
You're blithering buffoons and you forgot to plug everything in, mate. Oh, such a satisfying thought.
Alright, get back in the car. Mechanic Gav come up with a good suggestion. Put this little rubbery boy on. Should work, Gav, mate.
No worries.
Thumbs up. Spuds, both.
Sequential.
It doesn't go into reverse. Is that reverse?
Did you fit that?
No, everyone else has fitted it.
We're draining the car of water. Somehow water got in the system, so joking.
We're trying to get all the fuel out so we can rule out what's going on.
You ever done this before?
Nah.
It's pretty interesting, really.
I think we should live the relay so we don't have to keep ruining the ignition switch.
Well, I don't think it'd ruin the ignition switch. It's just a mundane activity, isn't it?
Well, every time he's clicking it, it's wearing it out, and we all know how bad E36 ones are. In fact, I've already had to put a starter switch on the column for this.
Don't know why I expected anything different than that to happen.
Yeah, it sounds funky because it's got no air filter. It's just running through the math. That is great success. This little thing. Get out of here.
Got my gloves.
So beautiful.
Wobble. Ah, beautiful.
It's got a metal impeller, mate. It's going straight back in.
Yep.
Yep. What just happened?
The viscous side. So,
I mean, yeah, this wasn't very secured, and then
it's look at the side of it. Absolutely split.
straight into the rad.
The best bit is this one needs to come off here. If you just zoom in.
Oh, we actually made a hole in the wall. It is literally everywhere. Pieces of fan.
Oh, there's a light as well. It's gone.
Oh, the bulb's blown.
Ah.
I guess next time, E36 rad. Boom.
Establish contact with base Orion.